Okay, so you have read the question, right? Okay, so by right, they should divide the cost by 5, right? 5 boys. So by right, they should divide by, this is the present, the cost of the gift. By right, they should divide by into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? But instead, they divided by 4. Okay? Divided by 4. This is divided by 5. This is divided by 4. Okay? Divide by 4. Can you see? And each boy end up paying, because they divided by 4, each boy end up paying $2.80 more. Okay, so by right, this is what they should pay. Okay, but then end up, because of the error, they picked this, and each boy paid $2.80 extra. Okay, each boy paid $2.80 extra. Okay, by right, they should. So this is the $2.80 extra. Okay, so now every boy, within the amount they pay, they are paying $2.80 extra. $2.80 extra. Okay? Okay. So these 4 extra, okay, so you can see, I hope you can see. I hope you can see that this, okay, is equals to this. Okay? So upstairs you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Downstairs you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means these four circles is going to make up this one. Okay? These 4 circles is going to make up this one. Make up this one, make up this one, make up this one, make up this one. Okay? Which means 4 circles will make up 1 square. Okay? So 2.8 times 4 equals to 1120. Okay? Use your calculator. Okay? 2.8 times 4 equals to 1120. So what should the correct amount for each share? Correct amount should be 1 square. So you found already 2.8 times 4, 1120. $11.20.
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system, proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns in questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume, circles, And more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect. Strategic problem-solving techniques. Challenging questions from top school prelims. Practice with real past papers from schools like Rosyth, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning, boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE Math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved for A stars, the equivalent of for AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE Math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.